was in there. Wait, I thought they were supposed to be representing the freeze fight. Oh my God. My God, is that? Can it be? Is it possibly? It is. Is it possibly that? From the littlest island in Hawaii, weighing in 190 pounds.
Oh yeah, baby! I made it from Hood Slim right here to Stoner U tonight, baby. Little Crushers in the house. Oh yeah, Little Crushers. They are getting crushed. Crush 'em.
And his first opponent.
Switch station on left, seeing the cross before you.
Hello? What? So that's who it was, huh? Man, they've been above from grade school, man. We got two left together. I told you what, I'm gonna hit this spot now, alright? Right there.
Yeah. We got 1, 2, 1, 2. She does it.
What's up, Oakland? Where we at? Make some noise! Y'all like this song? Y'all like Little Troy? I know you do. Yeah. What's up? How's it going? How's it not going? Good. All right. I'm out of sight. I'll throw.
And their opponents. Making their way to the ring. Shut up!
Little Crush versus both of the Hardy brothers.
Hey, man, you're not wrong.
Are you ready?
2-on-1 match, brother. You're what?
Chris, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Are you ready?
Oh yeah, I'm good.
Haven't seen each other already. Yeah,
Big shot right in the fucking skull.
man, it was big clothesline.
Two clotheslines, three fucking clotheslines in the corner, and now right suplex.
There's that tree falling in the wood suplex.
Yeah.
Like that, huh?
And now goes for a quick schoolboy roll up. Batman getting frustrated early. Oh, God, with that fucking a fucking huge forearm. Getting the fucking standing drop kick.
Just stay on there.
And Boat now on top of the game, but here comes Little Crush. And right in the fucking Randy Orton tattoo. Yeah.
He does hear voices.
He sure does. It sounds like. Oh, there it is again.
There's that pop.
Right across the fucking scapulae.
Want to do something about that?
And now, we might see a little 2-on-1.
Jeez.
Hit him with that crazy knee.
Yeah, right upside the fucking tail.
Man knee. Man, penis knee.
Right in the fucking rib.
Come on up there. Go up there. Come on.
Hits him with that fucking coconut right in the fucking head. He's got the power of a lot of things in that fucking cranium.
Here, you do something with it.
And directing traffic, do something now. Oh, fucking jaw checker. Bringing a little bit of separation from the bad man.
That was something that a little crush though.
A little crush. Fucking
He puts in his soup.
I've seen him crush hands. I've seen him crush like aluminum foil that was on a hot dog.
I've seen him crush a 20-piece nugget and let some.
Step up Enzuigiri right upside the back of the skull.
Where'd Mike go?
Yeah.
Backside of the boat.
You don't want none?
One at the port side, the starboard.
I don't like you, but I hate this scrawny little ass right here.
Oh shit.
Little.
I mean, it's not a big.
Yeah.
Fight him off. Little fish.
You can only fight one person at a time unless you're like fighting two people at a time. What the fucking
We can pass it over.
just handed it off. Big elbow.
There was a big elbow.
Right upside the fucking dome.
Jeez.
And a shot to the other side of the head.
Oh, shit.
And Little Crush now picking his spot, which is right there. Right there. Really targeting the brain.
Choking the life out of
The stream in his boat, I guess.
Yeah, he does stuff.
it. Dude, this reminds me. He looks like Mac from Always Sunny. Oh, Mac Dennis.
Mac and Dennis.
Yes.
They're both characters from that show.
It's true.
You don't want to stay in there. You need your feet.
No, it's true, man. How are you gonna ride your boat?
How are you gonna fucking paddle boat if you don't got no feet? You gonna be like on your knees? That's silly.
It's impossible. All right.
What are the folks that like have the little like bicycle wheel?
Yeah.
Yeah, like a swan. Yeah, he's definitely got one of those. Oh, God, they're pedal boats. Devastating kick right in the fucking spine.
Pedal boats.
Pedal boats. This is different than a paddle boat.
It's true.
But very similar sounding, which I'm sure is confusing for the industry.
Fucking young slug with another kick.
Yeah, and now Little Crush picking up boat like he would do on the island.
This match.
And now just tosses him. And just some, not exactly team, definitely some, I'm not going to hit you if you don't hit me. Some sort of relaxed. I mean, we should all be so lucky.
Yes.
But boat is in a bad way. And which is, saying a lot for a guy named Boat.
Yeah, Little Crush big fan and friends with the dog designer. He's used to giving people cigarettes at McDonald's.
Yeah. And now just, scoops. Breaker. And just, oh God. Fucking shitballs.
Just fucking took his life away right there.
Yeah, fucking. Oh,
There it is.
Crush. Somehow surprised the person who's not on his team wanted to win the match.
This is what I've been waiting for. There we go.
Come on, Erik. You're new here.
He is new here. That's a good point. He's not wrong.
Show me something.
Show
Show me what you can do to deserve this.
Show me what you got. He's been doing this the whole time. He's doing it again though, but all right.
Yeah, it's good. It's time. It's time to show him what you got.
It's Little Crushes.
Irish hit. Ducks under. Yes. Now he's good. Fucking sidewalk slam.
That was a good one.
1, 2. Crush it. Crush still. Head crusher backstabber. He's a little vindictive. He's a little many adjectives. This is true. And a shot right to the middle section. And this might be Boat's chance to stop getting the shit beat out of him. He's fighting back. Never forget. Tucks on the baseline. Heart punch. Jumping heart punch. I've never been punched in the heart, Scotty. It's not, yeah, it's not fun. It is not fun. No, it's true. But these two are back. I feel sad for these two little bit. Yeah, fucking, your heart, it's like the opposite of the Grinch. It shrinks. But the bad man is like, hey, why are you trying to win? We decided together that I would win. Ooh, and that was a big push. Oh! And a punch right upside Little Crush's fucking little face. Oh, big one from the Bruno. Yeah, that's right. Little Crush. With a big fucking running forearm strike right to the collarbone. Another one. We're back to him. Yeah. Come on. Come on. What does Erik Dennis? You know, Matt Dillon has a couple things on his top. He's got plenty of problems. He's plenty of cargo brands. This is true. They just won a Super Bowl. Cargos? Philadelphia. Oh, okay. I don't know what we're talking about. So we have mixing metaphors. Yes. Oh, big fucking back out. Oh, there we go. Oh, he just got fucking his cards. Yeah, you know. A deck of cards all over the place. Definitely worse for wear in this match. And little Croy, Erik Dennis, just going back to work against each other. Got on the fucking crusher. And now scoops him up. Hits him with that big fucking Farouk assault. That's true. And just fucking lifeless. Except for the fact that he's moving. But like, if you ignore that, lifeless. Normally he calls that move the bounty hunter. No. And again, it's almost as if they keep forgetting but remembering they're trying to win a match. Well, you know, this one is I mean, he tried. Both just pick and choose and shit. A little bit different.
You and me will go at it,
all right? Working for him. Yeah, it's yeah, you're right.
I can work with you today.
All right, and now they've decided to work together again until the end. Yeah, straight. That's another line off the ropes. Double to Jerry right in the fucking mouth. Get them both in the face. Just fucking smile.
Wipe that fucking smile off. Get over here.
Yes.
Get over here. Go.
Big clip.
Get over here.
Up in the chest. Twisting clothesline. Double range line. He's gonna break his fucking arm. Fucking arm drag. Oh, fucking shades of yeah, man. And now he's got him by the neck. He's gonna end it. He's got him. He's going for it. Got him with the fucking arm hook. Fucking cutthroat neck breaker. But he gets kicked in the fucking skull. Right in the base of the neck. And now, trying to put a jawbreaker, gets fought off. Off the ropes. Ducks the clothesline. Charges on, gets caught, and eats that top turnbuckle. Oh yeah, his face is smashed. Oh, and right to the fucking basket, right to the base of the skull, and 8-ball. Come on, Matt, goodness. Now just fucking scoops him up. This can't be good. He gained so much fucking momentum and boots and hits him with that fucking K-Dog. He did. Rowdy. Bodie. What's your time? He is going up Be careful up there. Shades of your brother. He's crushing it. On the head. That's it.
Little Crush picking up the W. Brought to you by us.
And oh, here at Stoner U.
It's true. He is 1-0 here at Stoner U.
Little Crush.
And he's the littlest crush, but the biggest crush at the same time.
Crazy.